Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss this question. Probability function is given to you. You need to find the MGF, mean and variance of this function. Okay, so how will I find out this? How will I find out this? See, x is discrete given to you. Now by the definition of MGF, we have used two formulas, one in integration form, another one is summation form. Here the values are discrete, so we will use summation form. Okay, तो solution में what you have, mxt, MGF function e की tx. Okay, it will be summation x from 1 to infinity e की tx p of x, this probability function. It will be summation x from 1 to infinity e की tx into 1 by 2 raised to the power x. I can write it as summation x from 1 to infinity e की t by 2 raised to the power x. I can write like this. Alright. Now open that summation. When you open that summation, now you will get e की power t by 2 plus e की power 2t by 2 square plus e की power 3t by 2 cube and so on. You can clearly see if I take out e की power t by 2 common, so you will have 1 plus e की t by 2 plus e2t by 2 square and so on. What this means? This is an infinite GP series with common ratio e की power t by 2, which is GP with common ratio r is equal to e की power t by 2. So sum of infinite GP will be a1 minus r, where a is the first term. तो क्या है यहाँ पे e की पावर t by 2, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 1 बाय में 1 माइनस e की पावर t by 2, which will be e की पावर t by 2. When I take LCM, it will be 2 by में 2 minus e की पावर t. This 2 and this 2 cancel out. It will be e की power t by 2 minus e की power t. This is your mxt function. Your mxt function is e की power t by 2 minus e की power t. Now what is the mean? To find out the mean, differentiate with respect to x dt. Okay, so it will be 2 minus e की t as it is, e की t का differentiation minus e की t as it is, differentiation of this 2 will be 0 and minus e की t, that will be plus upon में 2 minus e की power t का square, right? Now you have 2 e की power t minus e की power t plus 2 e की power t, not e की power t, तो upon में 2 minus e की power t का square. This and this cancel out. What is your mean? Mean is at t is equal to 0. This will be your mu1 dash, which is mean. Put here t is equal to 0. If I put t is equal to 0, what you have? 2 into e की power 0. e की power 0 is 1. It will be 1 upon में 2 minus 1 का whole square, which is 2 by 1, which is 2. Mean is your 2. Now for your variance, d2 by dt2 mxt निकालो. ये फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव इसका आया था d by dt, और फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव था 2 e की t by में 2 minus e की t का whole square. Differentiate this one. When you differentiate this, now you will get नहीं तो when you differentiate side by side, put t is equal to 0. Directly you will get the value of mu2 dash. So differentiate this one. You will get 2 minus e की power t whole square. As it is, differentiation of it will be 2 e की power t. This is separate portion. Okay, minus 2 e की power t as it is. Differentiation of this will be 2 will come forward, 2 minus et as it is, 2 minus e की power t into minus of e की power t. This minus and this minus, it will be plus. Okay, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 माइनस e की पावर t की पावर 4. डन. तो 2 माइनस e की पावर t आई एम टेकिंग कॉमन. ओके, तो यहाँ बचेगा 2, आई एम टेकिंग कॉमन एंड देन आई एम कैंसिलिंग विद दिस. तो यहाँ पावर 3 बचेगी, यहाँ पावर 1 बचेगी और यहाँ इसमें से कुछ नहीं बचेगा. 2 माइनस e की पावर t इंटू 2 e की पावर t प्लस 2 to the 4. दिस विल कम्स कॉमन एंड कैंसिल विद दिस. तो e की पावर t इंटू e की पावर t, e की पावर 2t अपॉन में 2 माइनस e की पावर t की पावर 3. नाउ पुट t इज इक्वल टू 0. t is equal to 0. when you put, you will get 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 4, क्योंकि e की पावर 0 will be 1. 2 minus 1 का क्यूब. here you will get 2 plus 4 which is 6. तो your variance mu 2 dash is 6 is equal to mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash का square. 6 minus 2 का square which is 6 minus 4 which is 2. So mean and variance in this case are same.